Stop blaming your triggers. Na-trigger lang ako. May trauma kasi ako eh. Ganito ako dahil sa mga pinagdaanan ko sa buhay. Your pain can explain why you reacted that way, but it does not automatically excuse what you did next. Yes, your trauma is real, your triggers are real, and the things that happened to you may not have been your fault. But healing them is still your responsibility. Hindi kasalanan ng ibang tao ang sugat na iniwan sa ng nakaraan mo. At hindi rin nila deserve na sila ang pagbayarin sa ginawa ng ibang tao. You cannot control every emotion that comes up, pero responsibilidad mo kung paano mo hahawakan yun. You can feel abandoned without threatening someone. You can feel jealous without controlling them. You can feel angry without humiliating them. You can feel afraid without punishing someone who is trying to love you. Your feelings deserve compassion, but your behavior still needs accountability. Because trauma can explain why you learned to survive that way. But healing means recognizing when your survival response has started hurting other people. Hindi mo kailangang ikaya yung mga pinagdaanan mo, pero hindi mo rin pwedeng gawin dahilan ng trauma mo para paulit-ulit kang makasakit. At some point you have to ask, am I protecting myself from the past, or am I recreating it in my present relationships? You deserve understanding for what happened to you, and the people around you deserve safety from the pain you have not yet healed. Your trauma was not your fault, but your healing and what you choose to do with your pain are now your responsibility.